Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review on the Leatherman Surge. It is one of Leatherman's full-size multi-tools. It's really great. It has a 420HC clip point blade. It has really sharp scissors, cut really good. Has a little grip right there. That works pretty good. It has a 420HC sheep's foot serrated blade, fully serrated, really sharp. It has a saw, it's really good. It is interchangeable. It's upside down right now, but you can take it out and put a file in there if you have one. And then on the inside, it has some beastie pliers, the round gripping area and the flat gripping area, hard and soft wire cutters, and on the handles it has an interchangeable bit driver with Phillips and flathead. You can buy other bits for it, but I didn't. They all lock with this little button right here. Just push it in. And a bottle opener / can opener. On the other handle it has an awl with a sewing eye, a eyeglass screwdriver, really small, with Phillips and flathead. Slips right back in there. And it has a large flathead screwdriver, I think, and it could be used as a pry bar. It's really strong. Open a paint can and stuff like that. And on the inside it has a 6-inch ruler and a 22cm ruler, so 6 inches on the top and 22cm on the bottom, and it's awesome. It comes in a box like this. Surge. It has a user's guide with all the instructions and just a bunch of information. And it has a great sheath, leather or nylon you can get. It has a great snap. It's really tight, and it has a hole in the bottom so you can put the tool in there open. Also, it has these little pockets right here where you could put like the extra saw blades and stuff. Can't see it on this camera, but they're there. And it's a great tool. It cost $71.94 at Walmart. It's not too cheap, but it's a great tool. I suggest it. Go out and get one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.